Alright, I'm working on a Nissan 3.5 liter engine, and we're doing valve cover gaskets on this, and the tube seals that slide over the top of the spark plugs here are leaking oil down into where the spark plug goes. So on these particular engines, well, let me show you the spark plug that I pull that hole. You can see there's oil all over the spark plug there. So it's been leaking past the rubber tube seals through the valve cover down into the spark plug hole. The ignition coil, you can see, is all covered with oil there too. But so just a caution on these, the tube seals are not serviceable. Oh, here's where the valve cover gasket goes itself, and right here is the tube seal. These rubber tube seals you cannot service. I tried to get the middle one out there. You can see it actually broke some of the plastic, and they don't sell them. So the only way to repair this is to replace the whole valve cover. You'll find these on Amazon very cheap. I'll leave a link in the video description below. Let me see if I can get my camera down into the spark plug holes here, and I'll show you. These first two are actually dry. That one was dry. But on this last one, the valve cover tube seal was leaking oil down inside. And you can see the oil there. So we're going to have to replace the valve covers on this 3.5 liter Nissan engine so we can fix that tube seal leak. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find these valve covers relatively inexpensive on Amazon. We're working on a Nissan Murano today, but this also applies for Nissan Maximas, Ultimas, and Nissan Quest engine with a 3.5 liter in them. For watching, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.